So me just wake up and realize it's very cold and raining outside. I'll be gonna work. Look, I'm missing there so asleep. So you know what me I gotta do? I gotta make some cornmeal porridge. And so far, I search my pantry and I find basically everything my mother need. The only thing me not have is the cinnamon leaf. Cause I really like cinnamon leaf in my porridge, but you know, sometimes you have to work with what you have. So I have my cornmeal, I have my sugar, I have my tin milk, I have cinnamon powder, vanilla, I have nutmeg. I don't know how strong a nutmeg they be. I never use it yet. And I have salt. So right now, I'm gonna make a porridge and drink some cornmeal porridge. Alright, so I have some cornmeal in one bowl right here, so. And I'm gonna mix it with the water. Honestly, I don't know about measurement. Me eyeball everything because growing up when me see my grandmother and mother cook, me never seen none of them use no measurement. Always eyeball. And me come and do the same thing. So, I just gonna add some water to it and get a mixture and then I add it to the pot on the stove that has water already. Alright, so I had about, maybe about, say about 2 cups of water. And make sure you don't have a lot of lump in it. And just so you guys know, I'm not a professional chef. I'm just a home cook. Like, cook when I see my grandmother cook or my mother cook. So, nobody come bash me and say, oh, this, that. Everybody cooking at them one way. Alright. So, caramel in a pot. Waiting to be bubbled. Bubble like a double. Bubble. Alright. See there? One thing to me, I like my caramel porridge. Can me ever get bun? Me ever get bun when my caramel porridge? I don't like get bun. But one thing too, I love porridge. I love porridge and soup. You can tie me in a porridge and soup any day. Porridge and soup. I love any one of them. See there? See there? So I'm gonna leave that for go and cook. See it there? It start bubble, so stir it. Cause you don't want it to get thick. As me say, me a professional chef, me a home cook. And then I call me the white bruh. Ugh. Remember growing up in Jamaica and we used to go shop. Or yeah, mostly shop. Whenever I really used to go supermarket, cause I would live in a country area. We used to go shop, go buy cornmeal. The cornmeal could have yellow, thick and coarse. Alright. Coming along nicely. Oh God. Can't wait to spice it up. My husband hasn't tried cornmeal porridge as yet. I'm gonna leave some for him because he's coming home around 12 and see if he likes it. Because that demand there, anything me cook, he like and enjoy. Anything. Sometimes I have to say, you can't tell me say I like it, you know. You have to be so nice. The man, everything me cooking enjoy. There it is. So true me don't want to get burned. And just turn it down a little. Let it cook. And just stir it so it don't get form any lumps in it. You know what me like caramel porridge? I like the bottom will burn and you just take a spoon and scrape it out of the pot. So I like caramel porridge. There it is. There it is. Okay, baby. Mom is gonna leave you to cook some more. And then me spice you up. See the bad girl there? Up on the bad girl a bubble. They come bun me up. See it there? Oh my god, look at my caramel porridge. So may I add some milk. There you go. Right. Milk in. Sweeten it to your preference and to the liking of your taste buds. Next, vanilla. Vanilla don't cut penny. I have a scent, but still I use it. Alright, so I grated some nutmeg in there. I have to try and say nutmeg. So see there, some nutmeg, and now I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Alright, and then you mix all this together again. Okay, so I'm using brown sugar. I'm gonna add sugar. You can use a sugar of your preference. I initially was gonna use the white sugar, but I don't really fancy white sugar like that because growing up I never see white sugar. When we go shop, I always brown sugar. I mean real brown sugar. When we used to tea for mama sugar to make sugar and go pick civil orange or bugger lime. I don't know bugger lime. Depends on maybe the country or the parish where you come from. We call it bugger lime. Sour orange. To make sugar and water. You have to put with skirt tail, with frock tail, or with blows over the cup. Strain, and when we drink it, and strain the sugar at the same time. You look on your blows. You see all sort of kuru. So I'll stick to my brown sugar. I use white sugar, but I don't necessarily like it. Alright, so I add my brown sugar. See it there? Kind of smell good. Kind of smell the nutmeg and the cinnamon. So what I'm gonna do, and I don't know if anybody else parents or grandparent has ever done it, but I always see mine tip a little butter in there. So yeah, I always put a little butter in my porridge. So I got tip a little butter in for me. So butter, tip a little butter in there. There you go. Alright. Then I go cover back up. Then I go cover up to go and cook a little bit more. And then I adjust the taste. For the finished product there, caramel porridge. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna put some in a little bowl. And that will be my breakfast. There is the finished product. Still steaming. The only thing missing right now is a piece of hard bread or 2 tough crackers. And where me live, me can't find none of them but something there. So just have to just eat a barefoot porridge right now. So anyway, later guys. Gonna enjoy my porridge and run ahead and do some chores. Bye.